When the people find those songs, that one song, then they find the rest of your catalog like you're a brand new artist again.
Right.
And then the streams shoot up on everything else.
Everything else, yeah. That's why, like, that's why there is no loss when you put out music, because number one, it's understood that it's good. Like, I'm already just getting that out of the way. Like, we're assuming it's good music, right? So if it's good music, it's impossible for there to be too much of it, because all that's going to happen is your fans are going to be happy, and you're going to generate momentum, I think, on a spiritual and energy level within the universe, and you're generating this momentum. And at some point, one of these is going to take off, and when it does, people, now you're at this new point of discovery, and now they're coming back and doing their homework, and they see like, oh shit, I don't have to even scroll down till 2018 to get his most recent album. He put out 30 songs this year, and they're all fire. You know what I'm saying? And then as the months go on, then they go deeper and deeper down the catalog. But it's like, that's how I've generated hardcore fans, because any artist or any consumer who discovers Russ at any point, at this point in life, you're either like, I don't fuck with him at all, or it's I'm a psychotic fan, because there's so much music. So it's like, you're not just going to find one song you like. You're going to find 50. You know what I'm saying? So it's like you're an immediate hardcore fan.